Hey, Misha here, and I wanted to do a big canvas today. I'm going to do a base of black on it, and I've got punches of color that I'm going to be putting throughout, kind of like that. I have another video that's kind of like it that I freaking love the outcome of it. I can't remember what I called it. Songbird. So if you haven't seen that one, you should check it out. Right here I've got I think it's 24 by 30 inch canvas, gallery wrapped. I've got two big cups of, I was going to make it dark blue, but then I ran out of brilliant blue, so it's pretty much black. But it's the Artist Loft Flow Acrylics Mars Black. In this cup I've got a little bit of white, the Art Alternatives Titanium White. In this cup I've got some Phthalo Blue. And in this cup I've got a really cool color. It's called Patina. It's a folk art color, and I really love that one. Haven't used it yet. My dog is going crazy again. He keeps bumping the camera. Oh, I love him. And then in this color I've got Cerulean Blue, the Artist Loft Cerulean Blue. In this cup I've got, I cannot pronounce this green. It's Phthalocyanine green. Oh my gosh, I just butchered that terribly, but that's my best. That's me doing my best to pronounce that. In that cup right there, I've got Artist Loft light green. Oh, and the green I can't pronounce is Liquitex Basics. In this cup I've got Artist Loft Violet. And in this cup I've got Liquitex Basics Magenta. All of my paints are mixed with Floetrol and water. And like I said, I'm going to start with a base of black. I'm going to put punches of color in. I'm going to use my hair dryer and maybe a little bit of my airbrush because I love them. And we'll see what comes out. Alright, so this is Crazy Wildness, and I'm going to stop there because I have already made it a lot more complicated than I had anticipated. So we'll let it dry for a little while, and then I will bring you guys in closer to see some of these effects, and I want to see how this pools in the middle here, because I'm sure it's going to. Lots of color, lots of splashy, crazy color. I dig it. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little while. Alright everybody, so this is it done and varnished and on the wall. Some of my favorite spots, always the white highlights are my favorite spots. There's some dark blue over here that you can't quite see on the camera. There's definitely a lot going on, a lot of splishy splash. So let me bring it in closer and we'll see some details. I love that wispy, always love that silky effect that the hairdryer brings. Ooh. Oh, I've got a glare because the light is coming in. Sorry about that. Alright, so this is just a crazy splash of color all over the place. Tell me what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please click that subscribe button. And if you want to know, I am adding affiliate links now because of so many questions about which kind of hairdryer I use, what airbrush I'm using, just all the questions about the materials that I'm using and tools that I'm using. So I created some affiliate links. Check out the description below if you would like some more details. And it always gives me a couple extra bucks if you do click on that link and then purchase through, so I would super appreciate that. That's it for today. Until the next video, I hope you all take care and we'll see you soon.